I don't dream no more, that's for the bedroom. I really had to open my mind and give my head room. They say results determine your actions. I spit fire cause this rap shit burns with a passion. All work, no play, no time for relaxing. Bitches, liquor and weed, what I call distractions. I had to get my math in, I started subtracting, isolating my emotions and having contractions. Giving birth to the illest verse for these non-believers. Martin Luther King taught me how to be a dreamer. Malcolm X showed me how to change my demeanor. I heard Obama give a speech in Pasadena that made me put down the reefer. Now I'm an overachiever. If I don't get it, I got it. Raising racket like Serena. The rap game is my arena. Fighting to the death like I'm performing for Caesar. I'm talking to the dreamers.